Red is the color of a bright, shiny apple. A fire truck zoom in, oh so fast and dapple.
Orange is the pumpkin that we carve with delight, a sweet, juicy fruit, so vibrant and bright.
Yellow is the sun that lights up our day, cheerful and warm in every ray.
Green is the grass where we love to play, and the leaves on trees that gently sway.
Blue is the sky so vast and wide, and the ocean waves where dolphins glide.
Purple is the flower blooming in spring, a magical color that makes our hearts sing. Pink is the cotton candy at the fair, a fluffy treat we all love to share. Colors are everywhere, just look and see a beautiful rainbow for you and me.